Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Claude AI for content creation. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, blog posts, social media content, newsletters, digital products, marketing campaigns, or business content, Claude AI can help you work faster and create more content with less effort. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use Claude AI to generate your ideas, write your content, improve the quality of your work, and build an efficient content creation workflow. All right, so first things first, what is Claude AI? Claude AI is an AI assistant that is designed to help with writing, researching, brainstorming, planning, and productivity tasks. For content creators, it can serve as an all in one assistant for nearly every stage of the content creation process. Claude can help with content ideas, research, script writing, blog writing, social media posts, email marketing, content planning. So, the next step after this and after understanding how Claude functions is generating your content idea. So, every piece of content starts with an idea. One of the easiest ways to use Claude is for brainstorming. And in order to brainstorm, you have to prompt Claude. So, you may be wondering what a prompt is. A prompt is a set of instructions given to the AI that it follows to the T. All right, so the first prompt we're going to be testing out is asking Claude to generate 30 content ideas for a YouTube channel about AI tools. So we could go with that option here. Just go ahead and type it in the text box. But please make sure you've signed into your account. Otherwise, this is going to prove difficult without an account. All right, so let's get in. And all you need to do after writing this is understanding that you can do this as well for blogs, newsletters, social media accounts, podcasts, or digital products. You just need to research your topic, and that takes us into our next step. So once you've chosen a topic, let's go ahead and prompt this. Once you've chosen a topic, the next step is gathering information, which Claude is really good at, that is researching. So all you need to do is just explain this topic in simple terms and provide the key points a beginner should understand and know. You could have that written out as a prompt to Claude. So for the topics, we could go with number two and just simply add the prompt. So I said here, using number two as a topic, explain this in simple terms and provide the key points a beginner should know. So just go ahead and send this in, and Claude will begin working on that immediately. So Claude can help you summarize information and organize it into a format that is easier to understand. And you can now go ahead and create your outline, which takes us to our next step. So after you've also generated your research, you've done your research on the topic, it's now moving into creating an outline for that topic. So before writing a full piece of content, it's usually a good idea to create an outline for the content. So we're going to be asking Claude to create a detailed outline for a 10-minute YouTube video about Claude AI. So all you need to do is just go ahead and enter that as a prompt. Once you've entered it, go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard, and it's going to go ahead and start prompting it and creating a detailed outline. This helps you organize your ideas and keep your content focused so there's no swaying from your original goal. All right, so after that, you can now use Claude again to write long form content. So it's time to generate your content now, and all you need to do is just ask Claude to turn this outline into a complete YouTube tutorial script. So just write that down into the prompt box and hit enter. Now, Claude can create blog posts, video scripts, newsletters, articles, and much more. It's just going to take a few steps, but it's going to have everything ready for you, and just hit enter and it would begin that process. So it's really good. It's really easy. Now, the next step is creating social media content. So long form content can often be repurposed into multiple smaller pieces. This allows you to create content for multiple platforms from a single piece of content. So you could ask it to turn this blog post into 10 social media posts for different social media accounts. So you could have this posted alongside 10 other accounts with different social media, uh, you know, posts or tags or whatever you need in those social media platforms. It's going to be different for all 10 of them. And after that, you could just improve your content by asking it to create a draft, as creating a draft is the only part of the process that doesn't take too much time or power from Claude. So you could just ask it to make your content more engaging. That is your prompt. Make this more engaging, and then hit enter, and Claude will begin working on it. These prompts can significantly improve the quality and your audience retention. And then lastly, just generate your content assets, as content creation often involves more than just writing. You're going to need YouTube videos, you're going to need thumbnails, you're going to need B-roll. So you're going to need a lot of things in order to accomplish your goals when it comes to using Claude. All right, guys. And lastly, just build a content calendar and create a content creation workflow. For the content creation workflow, as you create more content, you want a repeatable process. So create a complete content creation workflow from idea generation to publishing. That works by prompting Claude in that manner, just telling it what it needs to do, as Claude can help document and streamline your entire system. And all you need to do is just copy and paste out the information or simply change it or customize. It works the same way. And then you can use Claude projects and skills, which is available in the customize section of Claude. When you click on it and head into skills, you can find your skills here. Or if you head into the customize tab, click on skills, you're going to find the number of skills you have. And there is an option to create a skill. So you can just click on the drop down for create skill and click on write skill instructions, and you can begin creating your skill. All right, guys. So that's basically it. That's how you can use Claude for content creation in 2026. From brainstorming your ideas and researching your topics to writing, editing, planning, and publishing, Claude can help streamline nearly every part of the content creation process. And that's it. So if you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.